Okay, welcome back. So let's work on the, let's see which piece is next. I'd like to kind of tackle the garment first. So let me get the trousers and the belts up just after the English shirt, somewhere like so. So I can work in that order instead. Okay, so this is fine. Then let's work on the trousers. Okay, let's start with the belt. I think the belt shouldn't be too much of work. See, we have something like so. Okay, so if I need to fix this part, let's quickly fix that. What is this piece? This pitch is this edge. Where's it connected? Where's it even connected to? Probably a piece from this. Let me go to face mode first. Select all this face. I'll do a camera base. Select this also. I'll do a camera base too. Then UV shell. Okay. Where's all these broken pieces from? Guessing I'll just have to do. Oh, so I think I'll just have to do a camera base. Camera base for this also. So let's isolate this first. So double click on this edge. On this edge. So I put my edge loop on that edge. Double click in here also. So in this inner part, I'll do that in this inner part. So inside of this circle piece, so I'll select that loop. I'll select this loop also. Just the inner parts. For this part, I'll select this edge loop. I think that should be everything, so I can just do a cut. Select these two and fold. So now I see now that we don't have something that is straight enough. We need something straight. Can I do a straight in here without doing anything? Straight in shell. Nothing. I think I need to kind of cut this part. Cut this part. I'm having some issues here. Okay, no, it won't work. So I need to kind of straighten this. So I'll start by, let's start with this piece. Which piece is this? Where is this from? Oh, okay. I think Let's just do normal regular face selection and then camera base for this. Shouldn't be difficult to cut out. Okay, this is weird. Topology is completely weird. For those the cuts, then I'll unfold. This is strange. Let me just do like a loop around this instead. Is there a hole here? Seems to be an hole here. Double click. Double click. Do a cut. Let this to unfold. Now double click in here. Or the cut also here. So I have no idea why is there's hole in that space. This is rather strange. No, let me I need to remove that cut I just did. Something is weirdly wrong with this piece. Let's see if we can get a loop around this. Okay, so I'll do a cut, unfold. Wait, it's even getting worse. This stranger shape, I have no idea what this is honestly. It is some really weird stuff. Probably should have kept the one that comes with substance, the one that comes with ZBrush instead. Because it's like a total mess. But when there's a mess like this, the best thing to do is just to completely cut it almost to pieces. Looking for a vital part to cut this out. Let me cut out this loop. Cut out this loop. Cut. Unfold. Okay. I think we are good now. I think we'll just select this. orient, put this aside. Select these two and then I'll just do a layout. So I'm going to unfold this here. Just do an orient. So for this, I will do this at the back. Double click this edge here, this edge here. I'll do a cut out for this. And I'll do a cut. Select this edge, then double click on that edge and do a cut. Select all of this UV shell and do an unfold. Orient. Select all of these layouts. Okay, so I have this setup down here, that's fine. So cancel. Do a quick save. So now we can go to the trousers. Still have a lot of UVs. So we still have a lot of objects to create UVs for. We have completed the watch already. Let's put the watch on top. So let's isolate this. ZBrush seems to have done a good job on this. Okay, let's just start with the front piece. UV shell, let's select this piece and isolate it. Select all of this, orient. Let's pack this first so we get something a bit organized. That's not to pack all of this, then it's much easier to kind of move them one side and then just work on just one piece. Okay, so this is a piece we need to work with first, so you get this aside. I'll isolate this here. You can see now that it's not going, the loop is not going all around this. This is weird. This is weird in the inner part. I'll start all over again. Face mode, camera base, edge. So selecting a loop around this. Okay, that seems to go across the entire model. So that certainly makes the work a whole lot easier for us though. So do a cut, select this, unfold, orient, rotate. Where is this facing? Okay, this one we need to flip flip U. Let us take this up. So we're done with that. Select this piece, isolate, face mode, camera base, read this out. Edge mode. Double click on this edge. Let's check. I think that this went across the entire model. Yes, it certainly did. I'll do a cut, unfold, orient, rotate, flip U. Select this two, I'll just push this up here. Let's work on this front piece. Great. So I need to do this again. Let's just do a camera base. Now the back, we'll just select the loop. Cut. See, then I'll just do a cut for this. Cut. Select this to unfold. Orient. Select this. Rotate. Select this to, I'll just take this top like so. Let's go to the back. Start with this from the back. I won't take any guesses, so I'll just face mode, camera base, input this here instead. So click on this edge. Okay, that edge seems to be going around the entire model. Okay, now just do a cut. Just trying to be as fast as possible because there's still a lot of work to be done. Yeah, and this work is very boring. Like I said before, most boring aspect of the entire pipeline, creating UV and unwrapping. So flip V. Okay, next piece, isolate it, camera base, edge mode. So I've done this time lapse, but I believe each part of the process is another way of kind of learning and understanding how to create UVs and where to cut your seam lines. So at the edge, slightly visible in the front part where we kind of see this from the back like so. It will be visible around there. So what's kind of hide our UVs. So I will just add the cut there. Select this to unfold, orient. So select the other part. I'll just do flip you. Select this to put this by the side. Yeah, I've done unfold already now. Yes, I've done unfold already. Let's start with this piece. The same line should be around here, so select this face, do camera base. Our seam cut should be here, so double click on this cut. Come to this piece. No, I'm not done with this piece yet. I'm not done with this piece yet. So I'll put my seam cuts. Put my seam cuts around here also. So do cuts. Select this and do an unfold. How should this be oriented? Definitely not straight like this. Should be slanted, so I'm just going to rotate this like this. Should be like this instead. Should be down like this. Just put this to the side. Camera base. Add my same cut here. Cut. Let's isolate this. Another same cut around here. Great, undo that. Cut. Unfold. Orient. Yeah, that's fine. I'll select all of this. Let's do layout for this. Okay. So still making sure I'm on UV selection. I'll select all these parts and push this out like so. Which piece is this? Oh yeah, the pockets, but I have forgotten that. Camera base. Add the cuts. UV shells, let this UV unfold. Orient. Rotate this. Where is it supposed to be? Okay, this side. So I'll select this piece and I'll do a flip U. Just put this around here instead. Shrink this down. Let's go to the other piece. Isolate it. Camera base. Edge. Double click. Add the cuts. No UV shell. Unfold. Let's orient this. Let me see where this is facing. Okay. Put it beside. I don't think this is oriented properly. Let's say rotate like this. Then flip U rather. Shrink this down. Put this up here. Do a quick save for this file. Man, this process is extremely boring. Extremely boring. I don't think I'm selecting everything, so let's use face mode. Double click, double click, double click, double click, double click. Okay, so now I can isolate this. Let's see if ZBrush did a good job in here. I don't think I won't need so much of this. I just need just one. Okay, let's do this instead. So select all the faces for this. Now use camera base. Now just go to edge mode. Double click on this edge. Double click on this center edge. On the center edge. Think we're done. Then I'll do a cut. Select all of this and do and unfold. Orient. Get this like so. I think we are pretty much done with everything. This for the trousers. Oh man, I won't skip these buttons. So we do this for these buttons. But anyways, so I'll select all of this UV shell, and I'll do a layout for this. Just give this a moment to load. Okay, I think we're done. Well, I'd like to kind of optimize the space a bit more. I don't know why this is here. Let me put this down here instead. And pack this again. Maybe it's the version I'm using. But Maya does not really pack stuff. Pack UVs very well. Kind of optimize all the spaces around everywhere, around the 0 to 1 space. Anyways, it should still be fine for what we need it for. Yeah, this will be just fine for what we need it for. Okay, yeah, there isn't much distortion in there, I believe. So there isn't much distortion in there. This will work just fine. Okay. I've done the belt, so let's just do the glasses now. Now this cut this into so many pieces. I think Zebra actually did a good job creating UVs for this. So yeah, this is actually not bad. So select all of this. I'll just try to arrange them properly. Orientation for this. Okay. This is actually not bad. So layouts. So I think this should work just fine. So if I should turn on the checker pattern for this, yeah, this will work just fine. Okay, so on to the next piece. Do a quick save for this. Glass is looking like it's too big or something. I think my glasses are actually quite big. Probably take this down some more. But I'll do that inside of ZBrush instead. Okay, so inner eyes. Yeah, this one shouldn't be so much of an issue. You just need to delete what you already have here. Select all of this, face mode, camera base, then select this edge, viewports, select all of this, unfold, then layouts. Okay, so that's pretty much it for that. Let me do this for the outer eyes instead before moving on to the shoes. So it's pretty much the same thing also. So I'll select all of this. I'll just do this facing the camera angle, front view, camera base. So I can just whoa. This is just all over the place. So it's just all over the place. I think I'll just undo this. So the previous UV should be just fine. Just do a layout again for everything. Then oh yeah, I'm supposed to do the buttons. Let's do the buttons first. Move this shirt button to English, just below the English shirt. Let's do these buttons ish. This is terrible. Zebra did a terrible job for the buttons. It's actually a very terrible job. This is Not nice at all. Select all of this. Or just do a camera base for. Okay, let me just zoom out and do camera base. This might take a while. But I'll just do all of this from the back then. So let's do this from the back piece. Select these loops. Select this loop. Then I'll do a cut. Select all of this. Let me just move this around here. Then unfold. Let me move this out of the way first so I can just do a layout for this. So I have something a bit bigger to work with. Okay. Let's collapse this. Now this piece, I will just need to edge, select this edge. They're being crossed. I'm supposed to like double click on this, but I don't want this to go across. It's going across now. Okay, that's fine. I can just deselect this piece. This across, deselect this piece. Then I'll just do a cut. Just these two pieces. So unfold, orient, that's fine. Layout again. So it's just the same process I'm going to do for the entire thing. Okay, we have this in here now. So we're done with the first piece. So let's go to the next piece. Select all this loop. Deselect this. Deselect this. Deselect this. Deselect this. Then we'll do a cut. Select all of this. I'll just push this out here like so. Select this. Move this up here. Select all of this. Unfold. Then do a layout for that. So I have this in here now. So let's just do an orient. Orient this way. Select all of this. Let me just push this here. Go to the next one. Same process. Select this loop. Select this loop. Okay. Do cuts. Select drag this up. Unfold. Layout. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have like 5 more pieces to go. Orient. Rotate. Okay. Now to the next piece. Select this loop. Select this loop. Deselect. 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 Cut. Okay. Move this here. Get this in here. Let me go to the next one. Let me get a closer view on this. Okay. Deselect. Deselect. Deselect this. Okay. Do a cut. Select all of this. Move this here. Okay. Deselect. 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 Now do a cut. So select this. Okay. Deselect. Deselect. Do a cut. The last piece for this. Okay. Now do a cut. think this should be everything. So I'll just select all of this, do an upload, then layout. So I have this in here now, so let's do an orient. This I would rotate. Rotate this. So I think I can select all of this now. Then layout. Right. Do a quick save. Check for distortions. There isn't any. That's fine. Okay. Let's do a quick save. So in the next tutorial, we are going to be creating the UVs for the shoe. So see you guys in the next lesson.